Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Creatine versus MK677. Read the comparison sections and note safety, benefits, and usage to decide which fits your goals. I will explain how each works, typical results you might expect, and common side effects to watch for. I will also cover practical dosing, timing, and who should avoid either option so you can make an informed decision for your training plan. In this section, I will break down benefits clearly and simply so you can compare outcomes. I will describe what each compound does physiologically and how that translates to training results and recovery. I will highlight who typically benefits most from creatine and who might consider MK677 instead. I will also point out where benefits overlap and where one option outperforms the other for specific fitness goals. In this ad break, I want to ask you to subscribe and like if this comparison is helping you make choices. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof meal prep containers are great for planning protein and carb meals, and they save time and mess. They pair surprisingly well with supplement routines because prepared meals keep nutrition consistent. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this part, I will explain safety considerations and practical dosing to help minimize risks. I will cover common side effects, monitoring suggestions, and when to consult a healthcare professional. I will provide concise guidance on starting doses, how to assess responses, and signs that warrant stopping use. I will emphasize safe practices and informed decision-making so you can prioritize health alongside performance goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.